So I want to show you what I ordered online. I did buy this myself, replacement for my Samsung DVD Blu-ray player. I just want to show you what it looks like. It's a nice full-size remote control. It's got a power source button, power right here. This says power source. This is the power. It does work. It did work perfectly, so I'm very happy with that. All the functions did work. This is the back of it. This is what it looks like. And these remote replacement remote controls use AAA batteries, not AA like some of the older ones. So two AAA batteries you have to supply yourself, which is easy enough. Construction feels good. Made very well, actually. Like you can see the front of it right here. This is the back of it. It's got a good grip to it. It's a good size. I like the bigger remote controls. That way you don't have a fumble with your finger. It has all the controls right here. Everything does work. Volume, channel, mute button. Has everything you need to actually control your DVD player. Or even, maybe even your TV. So definitely I just wanted to show you what it looks like. So definitely high quality. I love it. Just the size of it all around. I want to show you that. So it does work. So I'm happy with that. I'm very pleased. And I did purchase this with my own money. And anytime you need aftermarket products, I don't think you have to be afraid. I think they do work, and I'm very happy with it. So this is what it looks like, and I really appreciate your time. Hope you enjoyed this review. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.